Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my car. Make sure to stick around until the end to see the finished look. To get started, I just start with a plastic bag, something to collect the trash in. Trash accumulates really quickly in the car as life is so busy. I also use another bag to bring anything that needs to go in the house inside. It feels like women's cars are always a bit more messy than men's. Comment down below if you can relate. Welcome back. If you are a returning viewer, I am so happy to have you here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please introduce yourself down below if you are new here. I love getting to know you and reading your comments and commenting back. If you are new here, something to know about me is I love making these cleaning and workout videos to share with everyone. I'm going to clean the back seat the same way I cleaned the front seat. As I was saying before, I love making cleaning and workout content, so if you are new, make sure to check out those videos if those interest you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope if you do enjoy this, you will subscribe and join me back. I post videos every Saturday and do shorts as well every now and then on my channel. I would love to see you back here again. Now, the next part of the clip that you're going to see is actually a new day. I had to split up my car cleaning between 2 days because the first day that I went to clean my car, I actually hadn't driven it in a really long time, so it didn't start and I could not get the trunk open. So let me know if that's ever happened to you down in the comments down below where you couldn't get the trunk open to your car because your battery was dead. So not the best experience, but we were able to jump the car and then get that trunk open so that way I can continue cleaning. And that day was really nice outside, so I decided to open the garage door as well. Next, I'm just using my handheld vacuum to vacuum the whole car. This is one of the best vacuums I've had, and it's fairly easy to carry around even though it isn't cordless. that I'm done cleaning the trunk, vacuuming that down, I'm just going to vacuum down the rest of the car pretty much the same way. So the cord on this vacuum is really long, so I didn't have to unplug it to restart and just do the rest of the car. The days I chose to clean my car, the weather was really nice outside, not too cold or hot, just perfect for the start of fall. I was so thankful for the beautiful weather that we're having outside. Leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite season is. My favorite season is always a tie between spring and fall because I just love the fall colors, the leaves, and the pretty decorations and the transition. But I love spring as well because of all the beautiful flowers. I'm just grabbing the rest of my cleaning supplies, so I'm just using some Clorox wipes to disinfect everything and wipe down the rest of the car. There's probably other cleaning materials I could use as well, but this is just what I had on hand, so I decided that it was just going to work for us for now and just get that car really clean. Going to wrap up this video. Thanks for being here and for watching. Please consider subscribing. I would love to have you back here for the next video next Saturday, and have a great weekend.